Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am taking this little collector's guide. We made the bear icicles last time, and today I want to make these here with the strawberry inside. They are a bit different in the shape and I wanted to make these as well. So let's get to it. I am taking my mold from the other ice creams and I am filling that up again with my ochre clay, and I'm making sure that there are no excess in the mold so it's nice and flush with the mold, and then I am going to bake it all. After baking I am taking these pieces out and we are going to use the long thin ones for this. I just made the other ones just to have them, but I'm only using the thin ones. Then I am going to take a piece of clay. The color doesn't really matter, so you can use a scrap clay, that will be all fine. This is just to make a mold for the ice cream. So I am eyeballing the size of this. I have made so many miniatures, so I kind of know how big an ice cream would be, but it is around 1 centimeter tall and around 1/2 centimeter wide. I'm using a ball tool to make 2 indents here on the top side of the ice cream, because the original or the picture has that as well, so I'm gonna do that. And when I'm happy with this, I am going to bake this little piece. Then I am going to take one of these popsicle sticks and I'm going to cut it in half if I can manage this one. Then I'm cutting it in 2 pieces, taking one of them and I am gluing that to the ice here, so it is looking like it is sitting in the ice. So it's not glued down to the bottom, but around into the middle of it. Actually, I'm going to slide a piece of paper underneath so that I know it is lifted a tiny bit from the glass plate. And then I'm just gluing that onto the ice cream and I'm leaving it until it has been all hardened and I can work with it. Then I am going to mix my mold putty together. It's 1/2 and 1/2, so 1 part of the blue one and 1 part of the white, and that is normally like that with most of these mold putties. But use the mold putty you have, because it doesn't really matter what kind of mold putty it is, as long as you get a little mold that can go into the oven. So make sure your mold putty can handle the high temperatures of the oven. And I'm first just using a tiny piece of the mold putty, making sure it is around the piece like I want it to, and then I place a bigger piece on top of that to make sure my mold is nice and sturdy, and then I leave it to harden. Then I take out my ice cream and I pop in a popsicle stick here like this into the mold. And I'm making sure it is nice and tucked in there. Then I am taking some fimo liquid that I mixed with some yellow soft pastel. And I have a lot of that because I like to mix some of it and then hide it for later. So I'm just taking some of this and popping it in to the ice cream here, making sure I get it underneath the stick as well. When I am happy with it, I am going to take a few slices of my strawberry canes, and these are again pre-made. I have a video for strawberries and I will link for that in the info box below, and there you will also find the link for the ice cream we made last week, so that you know how to make this sticks for this as well. I am popping in a few of these strawberries, enough for it to look good at least, both on the front and on the back. And then I'm just topping off with my fimo liquid in yellow to make sure the mold is all full, but don't top it too much because you don't want it to be thick on the back side. Then I'm just carefully taking out my little icicle of the mold so that I don't break the ice stick, the stick. Then I am going to place that here in my little grip, and I am going to glaze the ice so that it looks wet and cold and yummy. I made another one of these, so I have two, and I did glaze that one as well. So now for the bags, I am putting these in the bags just like I did last time, and I'm using this cellophane. This for wrapping gifts when you want to be able to see the gift. I don't remember the name of that on English. Anyway, I turn on my little tea light, and now I can heat up the cellophane all the way down my little clamp here. And I'm using the clamp because that makes sure that I don't burn off all my plastic, but only the piece that is on the outside of the middle clamp. Then I squeeze it together like this, put in the little end, and I heat that as well, and then I have an end. And yes, I made a skip here in the video because mine was a little too big, so I had to start over and do it one more time what I did. Then I just place my ice cream in the little bag, making sure I have the good side up here so that you don't have the good side on the back side of this little bag here. Placing my clamp and cutting off the excess, and then placing that into the light. And I'm gonna do the same with the last little ice cream, and this way I can bag both of my ice cream really easy, and it will look really nice. This is all for this little ice cream. It was a very easy build or craft, very easy craft. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one, and try to make it as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Happy crafting.